Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Did rain pretty hard last night. Hope everybody's safe from that. And the sun is out though, so make sure to enjoy the outdoors. Take breaks, okay? That's today's message, just to enjoy the day and take breaks when you need it, whether it's go sit outside and read, go for a walk, bike ride, explore your yard a little bit. If your parents let you, put on those boots and go splash in the puddles. Um, Whatever it is, take a break and try to enjoy the day as well as do your work. Okay, don't feel like everything has to be done immediately. If you're working at a little bit slower pace, that's okay. You're just supposed to have work to kind of keep you going, keep your skills fresh. So don't feel like it's if you're not getting something done that you're doing the wrong thing. Okay, that's it. Keep trying, do your best, and that's all we can ask for. Okay. All right. Weird but true too. Today's little section is a tiger can eat more than 80 pounds of meat in one sitting. Most people spend about 5 years of their lives eating. 5 years. A hippo can run as fast as a human. A man hiccuped for 68 years straight. Ooh. Nighttime rainbows are called moonbows. How many people knew there's something that is called a moonbow? Meteorites the size of basketballs land on Earth about once a month. And enough whip topping is manufactured or made every year to crisscross the United States more than 5 times. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, today's lesson is lesson 412, page 239 and 240. And tomorrow is like our Friday, by the way. So tomorrow, just take the day to do that Prodigy, Extra Math, and Zern. All right, but for today, on page 239, the first problem, they're all subtraction across zeros, and there's a pattern to that. If you want, you can try to memorize that pattern, or you can just follow the process like you do with most subtraction vertically. 0 minus 8, you can't take 8 away from 0. And you can't ungroup a 0, right? So 0 minus 3, no can do. You got to go all the way to your hundreds in this case. And that becomes 400. Those 10 tens go over here, and 10 plus 0 is just 10. But you can't really subtract here, right? Because you need something for your ones place. So you have to ungroup one more time. So that becomes 9 tens. And now you have those 10 ones. 10 plus 0 is just 10. Okay? So now everything is ungrouped across. You can start subtracting. 10 minus 8 equals 2. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And 4 minus 1 equals 3. Now again, because it's subtraction, more so than the addition, you're going to want to double check. So the inverse of subtraction is, yes, it is addition. So I add, using addition, of course, your two smaller numbers that you got, your add-ins. So go up, just go in reverse. 362 plus 138. See if you get your total, that top number. 2 plus 8 is 10. New group, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 3 is another 10. New group above, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Oh, bingo, we got it. Okay, so make sure you double check with your addition. Okay, here's the proof drawing. You can also subtract with that. So here's your 500. We're going to try and take away 138. Well, the 100 part's easy. Okay, so now we're left with 400. Oh, but where's our 30? We can't do 30 until we, that's right, you have to open up one of those 100 blocks into 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now do we have 30 that we can subtract? We sure do. 10, 20, 30. And now we need to subtract 8 ones. Well, again, no ones yet until you ungroup one of those 10s and make it into your 10 ones. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we have 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You subtracted the 8 ones. So let's see what we have left. We have 1, 2, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6 tens, and 2 ones. Look at that. Bingo. We matched up. So 500 minus 138 is 362. Okay, so you're going to see that this is a pattern. It's going to be If it's the two zeros, you have to ungroup both. It's going to be 9, 10 every time, 9, 10. So whatever this is ungrouped, the 9, then 10, and then you'll subtract going down. Okay. Again, check your subtraction answer using the inverse of subtraction. The opposite is addition. Add those two add-ins, and then see if you ended up with your total, that highest number. Okay. Proof drawing to double check your work as well. Okay, so there are a lot of ways to double check. All right, if you have questions, feel free to email or send a message to remind. I see that some of you send messages through the YouTube channel. I don't check those as much as I do the remind in the email. I check the remind email pretty much all day. Parents, if I'm responding to you that's too late in the evening, sometimes I don't sit down until after I put my kids to bed. So if it's too late, just let me know. I'll try not to respond after a certain point. Okay? All right, pulled out of my memory box. How many people here have been to Disney on Ice? It's okay, boys, to admit it too. I love it. It's actually very cool. I love it again as an adult now that I have kids. But they sell all kind of stuff, and it's so expensive. And my folks, they did not like spending at shows like that. But the one thing they did get me was a Mickey Mouse flashlight. Oh yeah, old school, man. Old school for sure. Okay. And at the time, it was Snow White on ice. And it actually gave it to you with batteries because at the show, it was cool. You flipped it on, and this thing would go around. I should have put batteries in it. And it would show the light, almost like a lighthouse. And it would just go around and around. It would spin and spin. I'm not even sure if it still has the spinning function, but for me, that would be cool to kind of check out, see if it still works. And I show my daughters that little artifact, that piece of history from back in the early 80s. All right. Well, guys, I hope you have a really great day. Be good to your parents. I know they'll be good to you too. Be patient with your parents. I should have said patience too, because you know what? I bet they're working somehow, if it's around the house or if it's outside or if they actually have to do work from home or maybe still go into work. Okay, so be safe, be good, enjoy the day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.